Before we had a system in place, we lost 3 jobs in a single weekend. Not because we were bad at our jobs, not because the customers canceled, but because we had no system tracking what was on our schedule and we didn't even know the jobs existed until the customer started calling. We ended up doing over $1,000 of work completely free just to keep those customers from leaving us bad reviews. That was the moment I knew we needed to change everything about how we were running this business. This is the exact system we use today and how it runs most of our customer communication automatically so I can focus on everything else. The system we use is called Jobber. Jobber is a business management software built specifically for junk removal businesses and home service companies like ours. It manages everything: client information, scheduling, quoting, invoicing, payments, and customer communication all in one place. If you run a junk removal business and you're still managing your schedule from your phone's calendar and sending invoices over text message, this video is going to change how you operate. We've been using Jobber since the incident I just described, and I genuinely don't know how we ran the business without it. Before I walk you through the full workflow, here's a quick note. Jobber offers a 14-day free trial, and the link is the first thing in the description. If anything I show you today resonates, go try it free. You don't need a credit card. Quick background for anyone who's new here. I'm Jackie. My husband Tanner and I own JT Junk Solutions, a veteran-owned junk removal business based out of Austin and Kyle, Texas. We've done over 1,000 jobs. We have a 4.9 rating on Google with over 100 reviews, and last year we crossed $400,000 in revenue. We run a lean operation. It's primarily Tanner and I managing everything: the jobs, the marketing, the customer communication, the finances, all of it. Which means every minute I spend on admin is a minute I'm not spending on something that actually grows the business. Jobber gave me that time back. Here's exactly how. Every job starts with a phone call. Before Jobber, that meant whoever answered the phone had to manually write down the customer's information, remember to add them to our schedule, and then text them back to confirm. If we missed the call, which happened more than I'd like to admit, that lead was gone. Here's what happens now. When a call comes in, our phone system automatically generates a transcript of the call and uploads it directly into Jobber. The customer's information is already there before I've even had a chance to call them back. From there, I can get them on the schedule immediately and send them a booking confirmation link right from Jobber, all from my phone. The whole process takes maybe 2 minutes. No manually typing out names and addresses, no hoping I remember to write something down. It's all in the system the moment the call ends. One of the biggest problems in any service business is the last-minute cancellations. A customer books a job 2 weeks out, life gets busy, they forget about it. They don't show up. You've blocked off time on your schedule and now you've got a hole in your day and lost revenue. That's why we use Jobber's automated reminders and follow-ups. As soon as a job gets added to the schedule, Jobber automatically sends the customer an appointment reminder. I don't have to remember to send it. I don't manually text every customer the day before. Jobber handles it automatically in the background. Then on the day of the appointment, when our crew is heading out to the job site, Jobber automatically sends an on my way text with our estimated arrival time. The customer knows we're coming. They're prepared. They're not calling us asking where we are. And the best part is, I'm not spending time chasing customers or sending follow-up texts all day. Jobber automatically keeps customers updated for us. That one automated workflow has nearly eliminated last-minute cancellations for us, and honestly, it makes us look even more professional than 90% of the junk removal companies in our market, without me lifting a finger. Here's where it gets really interesting, and this is the feature I get the most questions about when I talk to other junk removal operators. Once we're on the job site and we've done our walkthrough, we need to build a quote for the customer. Before Jobber, that meant Tanner or I had to manually type out every line item, calculate the total, and then either hand the customer a paper quote or text them a number. Now we use Jobber AI to draft our quotes. I open the app, tap the quote, and use talk to text to describe what we're hauling. Jobber AI takes the description and drafts a detailed quote automatically. Line items, descriptions, totals. I review it, make any adjustments, and send it directly to the customer's phone for approval before we start the work. The customer approves it right there on site. We start the job. No confusion about what was agreed. No disputes about the price after the fact. Everything is documented. And because the quote is drafted automatically, what used to take several minutes now takes maybe 30 seconds. This is one of those features that when I show other operators, they can't believe they've been doing it the old way for so long. And speaking of doing things the new way, if you want to try Jobber free for 14 days, the link is in the description. No credit card required. Once the job is done, the invoicing process is identical to the quoting process. I use the same AI talk to text feature to build out the invoice on site. Jobber generates it automatically. I review it and I send it directly to the customer's phone. The customer pays right there before we leave the site using Jobber payments. We accept credit cards, debit cards, all of it, processed directly through Jobber. No chasing invoices, no following up a week later asking if someone remembers to pay, no awkward conversations about money at the end of the job. Payment is collected on site every time. And here's the part that surprises most people. When the customer goes to pay, Jobber automatically prompts them for a tip. We don't ask for it, we don't bring it up. The system just presents the option naturally as part of the payment process. That single automatic prompt generates between $1,000 to $2,000 in additional revenue for us every month, just from tips. Because Jobber asks, so we don't have to. When people ask me if Jobber is worth the cost, that's my answer. The tip prompt alone pays for the software and then some. The last step in our workflow is the one that most operators completely skip, and it's costing them more than they realize. After every single job, Jobber automatically sends the customer a review request. Not me, not Tanner. Jobber. The customer just paid, they're happy with the work, and before they've even backed out of their driveway, they get a text asking them to leave us a review. The timing is perfect because they're still in the moment. They just experienced great service. The ask doesn't feel intrusive, it feels natural. That automated review request is how we built a 4.9 rating on Google with over 100 reviews. We didn't have a review campaign, we didn't offer incentives. We just let Jobber ask at exactly the right moment after every single job, and the reviews come in consistently. In a market like Austin, where there are dozens of junk removal companies competing for the same customers, reviews are everything, and Jobber handles the entire review generation process automatically. Let me put this all in perspective. Before Jobber, we were managing our schedule from memory and text messages. We missed 3 jobs in a single weekend. We had no automated reminders, no on my way texts, no AI quoting, no automatic review requests. We were doing every single one of those things manually, when we remembered to do them. The result was a weekend where 3 customers showed up to jobs we didn't even know we had. Over $1,000 of work done for free. And a wake-up call that the way we were operating wasn't going to scale. After Jobber, here's what changed. The moment a call comes in, the customer's information is in the system. They get a booking confirmation automatically. They get a reminder automatically. They get an on my way text automatically. Their quote is built with AI in 2 minutes on site. Their invoice is sent and payment is collected before we leave, and the review request goes out automatically before they've even gotten home. I didn't add staff to make that happen. I added software. That is the difference between a junk removal business that operates and a junk removal business that scales. Here's what the system has produced for JT Junk Solutions. Over 100 Google reviews with a 4.9 rating built entirely through Jobber's automated review request. $1,000 to $2,000 in additional monthly revenue from the automatic tip prompt alone. Near 0 last-minute cancellations because every customer gets reminded automatically. And the thing I value most that doesn't show up in a number, I don't spend my evenings manually texting customers, chasing payments, or trying to remember what's on tomorrow's schedule. Jobber handles it. I close my laptop and I'm done. For a husband and wife team running a $400,000 junk removal business, that is everything. If you're running a junk removal business or any home service business and you're still managing your schedule from your phone's calendar and texting customers manually, I want you to try Jobber. Not because I'm telling you it's great, but because I showed you exactly how it works inside our actual business with our actual jobs, quotes, and invoices. Jobber offers a 14-day free trial, no credit card required. The link is the first thing in the description. Click it, set up your account, and build your first workflow today. The weekend we lost 3 jobs and did $1,000 of work for free was the most expensive lesson we've learned in this business. You don't have to learn it the same way we did. Get the system in place before you need it. I'll see you in the next one.